Hey, let's copy dashboard. For now, we have Hayward's guitars, second page based on G4. If you go to Edit Resources, Manage Data Sources, you will have here 3 Google Sheets data source. So when you want to copy dashboard, first of all, you need to copy Google Sheets. You copy Google Sheets. You can call it, I don't know, client 2. You make a copy. You can share with the same people. Make a copy. When you make a copy, you go to okay. So you have several tabs. Blue tab we connect to Looker Studio. Gray tabs we pull data from Windsor. We have 4 queries. So first of all, go to Google Ads tab, go to Windsor, get data into sheet. First you log in, then get data into sheet. When you log in, actually you could have a question because it will ask you API. To find your API key, you go where it was. Google Sheets, API key, it's here. You can copy it, paste it here, paste it in Google Sheets, and you will log in. So preview and destination, click Google Sheets, and here below you will see your APK. You go to Google Ads tab, click to edit, and change client, for example, I don't know, Hamilton. I don't care for now because I don't know what is a more relevant account for you. Hamilton, you can select 2 if you have 2 accounts. So you select account, you don't do anything else here, and you schedule and load data. Schedule, I refresh it every 24 hours. So that's it. Google Ads, it's ready. Same stuff we do with all other 4 connectors. It takes some time to load it. When we see this screen, we can just close it. We don't need. First time we do access. After that, we don't need it, to be honest. But you always see this pop up. Yeah, it takes time. I load data for the last 730 days. So you do the same stuff. You open each tab, each query, and change accounts, and change nothing. Then you can go to blue tabs, check that everything is fine. Also, you can change account filter. You can change, if you know your account name, you can just change it here and refresh all tabs manually once. Refresh all scripts manually once, and then it will work. So you can just copy paste your account number here. Yeah, it's still thinking, but anyway. When we prepared Google Sheets, we make a copy of our dashboard, and I need to refresh this page. So while I make a copy, while I'm copying, I change original data source to my new data source. I don't have it here, so what is better? Better to go to resources and create data source. Add data source, Google Sheets. We have our client 2. we create all three data sources. So ls G4 conversion, what is here? Yeah, you see it changed. Same we can do. So like same logic for other queries. Here I add to report and manage edit data sources. I added, it has 0 charts, it's fine. Make reusable. Edit client to tab name. Done. Same way I add a new data source. Google Sheets client to LSG4 add. Meantime, I can change Facebook ads account. Add to report. Manage edit data sources. This is a new one. Edit client to LSG4. Here check purchase revenue change to Australian dollars. And that's it. We are good. What is here? Facebook ads account. I can change to Hamilton as well. Let me see if you have it. Hamilton. Yeah. I don't know, like you have 2 accounts, so I pull to both of them, like service and sales. And we can go to Facebook tab and schedule and load data. And here we create our last tab, ls Google Ads, Facebook Ads, add. So what I'm doing, I copy Google Sheets, I changed account. After that, I create 3 new data sources in Looker Studio. I name it nice way, and I change currency from number to currency. Where am I? The last one, it's here. No. Done, it is this one. Here I want to, no, wait. Sorry. Data source client, this one. Yeah. On Facebook and Google, again, we have cost that we change to Australian dollar and revenue if it is Australian dollar. And done. So we created 3 data sources. We can refresh page. Here Facebook is loading. Okay, fine. It's loading. Let me check that this tab is fine. Yeah, it is fine. Facebook ads is loading. Yeah, it takes time. So now we created 3 data sources, new one with 000, and we updated. Let's assume that we updated data, so you can it will be updated soon. Then we can copy our dashboard. When we copy, oh no, this is the old one. So make a copy. When I copy it, I need to change Google Sheets account to a new one. So instead of Howard's Guitars, I change it to, what's this name? Okay, this is conversions, clients to G conversions. This is called G4 So I change it to clients to J4 and here to clients to Google Ads, Facebook Ads. And I copy report. Let's see. Oh yeah, Facebook already loaded. Same we do with Google. I don't need to do it right now, I guess, because so we copy dashboard. Yeah, it asks me to authorize because it is because of the first page. Can I close it? So I don't need. Can I just delete this page? And this one. Yeah, because okay. Manage the data sources. I want to remove. And I want to remove this one. So I remove. Oh God. I remove like WinStore data sources. And I keep only G4. Update their dashboard. And we are good. Good. So we have one page. We have only Google Sheets data sources. And it's already done for new clients. You change name here for client to, and you share this with people who you want to share, or you can where is it? You can schedule delivery. You can send it by email once per month or once per week, download it, and so on. So report is done. Here you have at platforms as we had before, and we have J4 source that filter will apply this section and this conversion section. So it pulls all K conversions where we have more than 0 K events. That's it. If you want to filter some specific conversions, you can select chart. You can go to where's the filter? Sort column. Why I don't see. Okay, so you can add a filter, create a new file, J4 conversions filter, include conversion name, and you can include some specific conversions that you want to include, and you will see some specific conversions, for example, if you need. I think that is it. And if you want to filter data source, you can see only like Google and Facebook, for example, and it will apply to, so you will see only Google and Facebook conversions here. I think that is it. And I think you have everything to multiply this dashboard for other clients. Bye bye.